Good day, my name is Robert Farrell. I want to talk about monetizing your Zoom account. Now, as many of you know, yeah, you can use PayPal, but it's not a great system. Let me share with you why my software system to pass or protect your Zoom live webcast and monetize it is a better way to go. Hi, I'm Robert Farrell. I've been doing online marketing, sales, and training since 1995, 25 years. I've come up with a solution. I just designed this less than a week ago. I'm using the same system that I've been using to earn online full-time since 2008. I basically integrate that into Zoom. So watch how this works. This is something you can't do on Zoom by default. Yes, again, you can have somebody pay for PayPal, but then that's it. You can't monetize your referrals. There's no referral base, meaning that that's going to be a big part of your marketing. So if you look at my site, it's a test site I have called bandlive.couchconcerts.live. So look at this. Here's the band's upcoming streaming events in 5 days, 1 hour, 46 minutes, and 29 seconds. And this is for April 17th. Now, you can put whatever date you want there. This is a complete back-end turnkey system that I developed, and it works. So if you now can engage people with a one-time payment for your live event, or they can buy a package price, or they can buy a yearly subscription, or they can buy a lifetime subscription. Now, these prices are totally 100% set by you. Now, in addition to that, you can put whatever you want on this page. You have this is a WordPress installation. So you can put whatever you want on there. You can put YouTube videos, or you can download music and charge for that. You can put hats and merchandise and everything you want. It's a full e-commerce backend site that I've created for you. Now, in addition to that, you can earn big time by sharing my turnkey system with another musician, I should say. I'll talk about that at a later date. So this backend system is jam-packed with tons of features that you can't do on the regular Zoom platform. So this is a monetizing system. You're still using Zoom. It's the same experience. You could have up to 500 people. You can interact and everything else. You could buy Zoom's premium service for doing thousands and thousands of people. I get that. But they don't have a real way to work smart online. So again, look at this. You can set your price for this. Plus, you can offer coupon codes and incentives, et cetera, et cetera. But here's the part I want you to get really, really excited about. So what I'm about to share with you, you cannot do this on Zoom by default. So let me repeat this. The Zoom experience is still going to be the same. I have nothing to do with that. That's the Zoom platform, which is kind of turning out to be the industry standard for live events, whether it's meetings or cooking videos or playing music from your couch, et cetera, et cetera. But my system enables you to not only offer subscriptions to your fan base or your clients, et cetera, but also you can incentivize them. So let's say that you already had a fan base of, say, 100 people. Okay? You can then offer your fan base, hey, send me some people and I will gladly pay you. Now, what does that mean? My back-end system tracks everything. You don't have to get a pen and paper. Okay, Jody sent me 5 people and Sue sent me. That's caveman tactics. My complete back-end system tracks that with fan rewards, also known as affiliate marketing. I'm softening it up a bit. I'm calling it fan reward program or fan loyalty program. So let's say you had a base, again, of 100 students. So let's think about this. You have 100 students, 100 fans. I have students. You have fans. 100 fans. By the way, I'm a musician myself. I play guitar. As you can see over my shoulder here, those are 3 of my 81 guitars. And I'm not saying that for any other reason. I bought a bunch of stuff. What do I know? So if you go back to this, 100 people. Now let's say, if you really want to work smart about this, don't launch a live streaming event tomorrow. Have time to market, curate, and put it out there. I would go 4 to 6 weeks in advance. Now, that doesn't mean you have to wait that long to get your money. You get your money in right away through your subscription. So with Zoom, you actually have to wait for that event to happen before you get paid. My system, you get paid before the event even happens. So you can have different early bird specials. You can have different incentives. You can basically have a countdown clock that says, hey, right now, my live webcast is $5, but if you wait till next week, it's $10. And if you wait till the week after that, it's $15. So they're going to want to jump on early to save the money. So my system enables you to do just that. It's pretty cool. So let's get back to the calculator again for a second. So at 100 people, if you had those, and again, it could take you, I would mark it 4 to 6 weeks in advance. So let's say that they send you 5 people. So that's 100 times 5. Of course, I don't need a calculator for that, but that's 500 people. And let's say you're going to charge $20 for your event. $20, that sounds outrageous. Well, guess what? Don't nickel and dime yourself. Have respect for your art form, your music, your theater, your stand-up comedy. People are paying hundreds of dollars to go to a Broadway show. You don't think they're going to want to spend 15, 20 bucks to see a really nice event that they're a fan base anyway? Of course they are. But here's where the greed factor comes in. The power of 10 people who tell 10 people who tell 10 people. My software is set up to basically do multiple levels. Now, I'm not talking about Amway or Mary Kay Cosmetics stuff. I'm talking about real practical. I go 1, 2 levels down at the most. So if you had 500 people, again, let's do this again. 100 people in your fan base, and each one of those fans in the course of the next 4 to 6 weeks send you 5 people. Now, why would they send you anybody? Because out of your $20 ticket, you're going to pay them $5 or whatever you want to pay. Hey, pay them $10, pay them $15. That's up to you. My system's very flexible. So think about this. It's found money. You're going to do the event anyway. So why not get more people into your event by working smart, by incentivizing those people to send you business? How the heck do you think Amazon got to be as big as it did? Amazon has over 2.2 million affiliate referrals. That's how Jeff Bezos got to be so wealthy. The power of numbers, 10 times 10 times 10, et cetera, et cetera. So again, those 500 people. So those 500 people, which is 100 people, send you 5 people, which is 500. Now, out of those 500 people, maybe each one of those new 500 people send you 3 people in the next 4 to 6 weeks. That's now 1,500 people that are now going to come to your event. And it all started out with what? It started out with a base of 100. Now, you can do this starting out with a base of 10 people. 10 people refer 30 people, those people, et cetera, et cetera. So let's get back to this. So those 1,500 people are now going to pay you $20. But wait, you're going to pay $5 each to the first level and $3 to the second level. So out of that $20 for your live event, you're going to pay out $8. So you're left with $12. Or again, so the system enables you to offer the incentive in the back end. So if they're ready to spend $20 anyway, they're going to basically share you with their social media. Most people have, again, like I said, 12 to 1,500 people in their social media account. Now, I've done experiments with this to find out that it didn't matter if I gave a $1 discount for sharing me on social media or $5. It was about the same. So you don't have to give much away. Because again, the psychology is people are ready to pay that $20, that $10, that $5 for your live event anyway. So anything they get is icing on the cake. So again, that's working smart. So the way that the system is set up is once they basically enroll, and this is totally optional how you want to set it up, every time they enroll in a live event, they will then become a rewards fan. Now, you don't have to do that with everybody. You can basically do pre-approvals and everything else. Totally up to you. Now, you can also reward your super fan. So let's say you have a bunch of super fans. So your typical fan, you're going to pay out, and you can do either percentages or flat fees. So let's say your typical fan, you're going to reward with a 10% payout. But your better than average fan, you're going to give them a 15% payout for referrals to your show. But for your super fan, you're going to give them 20%. So this is totally doable in the back-end admin of my software system. So again, I want you to start working smart, and the only thing I expect from you right now is that you send me 10,000, no, I'm kidding, is that you simply click the link below, go watch the rest of my videos on my chatbot inside of Facebook. Oh, here it comes. He's going to get us into a sales funnel, and I'm never going to get out of it. No, I don't need your email address. I don't do webinars. The reason I use my chatbot It protects you and it protects me. How does it protect you? Because I cannot spam you in my chatbot. The rules of Facebook have changed in the past number of months. I cannot contact you after a 24-hour period. If I do, I can lose my Facebook account. I don't want that to happen. So if you basically go and watch my training videos inside my chatbot, A, you can interact, you can watch it really easy on your smartphone, and more importantly, you can send me a message and we can talk back and forth. Now, if you're serious about this, get on a Facebook phone call and I'll talk to you. I'm here to help you every step of the way for selfish reasons. If you're successful, I'm successful. That's working smart. Now, again, getting back to this chatbot, once you're in there and you engage with me in my videos, I cannot contact you after a 24-hour period. Not allowed. That's why I like chatbot. That's why I like Facebook. Because they put the clamp on these spam clowns and these snake oil salesmen that want to endlessly spam you in your email box for the rest of your life. Now, the way it works, if you, in that 24-hour period, if I engage with you and you engage back, then the clock does reset. But I'm still not going to spam you. I respect your privacy. In addition to that, the first thing that you'll see when you go into my chatbot, in addition to a hello, welcome personal from you, I know your name because you're logged in with Facebook. I'm going to say hello, Jeff, hello, Bill, hello, Jennifer, hello, Tila, whatever. And I'm going to give you the option, do you want to subscribe to future services, free training, whatever, or not? And it's a rock solid. It's not one of these bullshit things where you go to your email and unsubscribe. You know what that does? That tells the spam marketer that we got a live one here. And the next thing you know, you're getting more spam for these knuckleheads. That's not how it works with me. Now, at any time during your chatbot experience with me, you can, let's say that you did subscribe, you can simply type the word cancel and it automatically opts out of everything. Or let's say that you chose not to subscribe, but then you like what I'm doing, you can type in the word join. I make it really, really simple. Now, in addition to that, in an effort to help you grow your audience, grow your fan base, I have free training on how to develop your own chatbot for your website. Now, you can put your chatbot on the platform that I'm going to offer you. So as an example, if you go back to this page, now this page is just a sample page, so I don't actually have it installed, but you could put a chatbot in here that automatically goes to your Facebook account. So what I'm trying to share with you, based on my 25 years of being in the online trenches, making a lot of mistakes, pulling my hair out at 2 o'clock in the morning, wasting a lot of money, and this is going back, 12, 14, 15 years ago. I was a real knucklehead back then. I didn't understand how this online thing worked. You also have to understand that I didn't touch my first computer until 1987 when I was 28 years old. I had a failed jazz club. Also, watch the rest of my videos on YouTube. Some of them are a little redundant, but hopefully it's entertaining. So again, I want to leave you with a couple of thoughts. Nothing happens when you choose to do nothing. And there's nothing positive about being negative. So stay home, stay safe, stay positive. New York City is a ghost town. I live in a co-op building. I own my own apartment here, right across from Central Park. Time Warner building and CNN, used to be CNN here. Now they're down at the Hudson Yards. It's great, but it's a ghost town. And every day at 7 o'clock, which is about a half hour from now, like clockwork, people come out of their roofs and windows and they clap for all the first responders and all the healthcare workers and all the delivery people and everybody that's basically serving our community. So again, thanks for being here. Again, nothing happens when you choose to do nothing. Click the link below. Go to my chatbot. Watch more in-depth videos, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. I'll also put a link to my website, which is simply couchconcerts.live. Not .com, but if you do put .com, you'll still go to the same site. So when you register a site, you could be your band name .couchconcerts.live. Now, of course, if you want to put your own domain name there, you can do that as well. But I'm here to help you every step of the way. But again, nothing happens when you choose to do nothing. Carpe diem 2020. Stay safe.